Bank of America stock, BAC. What it is, why investors look at it, and what to consider before investing. Bank of America, ticker BAC, is one of the largest financial institutions in the world. It offers consumer banking, credit cards, mortgages, wealth management, and corporate banking. Because of its size, BAC is considered a blue-chip stock and part of the S&P 500. Investors often like BAC for its stability, its consistent dividend, and the way bank stocks can benefit when interest rates rise. For BAC, the key risks include falling interest rates, potential loan defaults during weak economic periods, regulatory pressure, and overall market volatility. Bank of America is generally seen as a long-term steady pick, more suited for dividend income, financial sector exposure, and portfolio stability rather than fast growth.